Let's talk about the latest launched ZTE smartphone Nubia RedMagic 9S Pro. Now let's talk about this specification of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with BOEQ 9 plus AMOLED display, 6.8 inches Full HD plus display, resolution of 1116 by 2480 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, approximately 93.7% screen to body ratio, approximately 400 ppi. Pixel density, 1600 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel Samsung S5 KGN5 main camera with support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel Samsung S5 KJN1 ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2. And with 2 megapixel Giga device GC02M1 depth camera with aperture 2.4, for selfies it has 16 megapixel under-display front-facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 8K at 30 fps on rear camera, and 1080p at 30/60 fps on front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 14 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of RedMagic OS 9.5. Screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.4 GHz single-core Cortex-X4, plus 3 GHz dual-core Cortex-A720, plus 3.2 GHz tri-core Cortex-A720, plus 2.3 GHz dual-core Cortex-A520, powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading version, 4 nanometer chipset, paired with Adreno 750, 1 GHz GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB, 16 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 4.0 onboard storage, no micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 163.98 by 76.35 by 9.47 millimeters, and it weighs around 229 grams, and the color options design sleet, black version, snowfall, silver version, cyclone, transparent black version, frost, white version, colors to see in this smartphone. And the device comes backed by a massive 6500 mAh battery, with 80-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication. With Face Unlock, the connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM, 5G, tri-band Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS L1 plus L5, 3.5mm headphone jack, dual stereo 1115K. Speakers support, USB Type-C 3.2 Gen 2 charging port, infrared remote control support, ICE 13. Magic cooling system support, Red Core 2 Pro gaming chip support, and with NFC support. So now, let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The ZTE Nubia RedMagic 9S Pro has been priced in United States for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at $649, while the 16 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at $799. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this ZTE Nubia RedMagic 9S Pro smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.